everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today our topic is fasting. Now I am just coming off of a 7-day fast. In fact, I haven't eaten my first meal yet. I am excited to go through some of my daily snippets. I've been documenting each and every day on Instagram, and I'll take those and I'll show each of those to you, but just the highlights of those. That I started a fast today, and I'm going to go for a 7-day fast, and I'm tracking my blood pressure, I'm checking ketosis. So far it is going on 3 o'clock, and I haven't really eaten anything since last night at 7, and I feel great. I've done this before. I know how to do a fast. I read the Obesity Code by Dr. Fung. I have watched hours of Dr. Berg on YouTube, who is also an expert at fasting, and I just wanted to let you in on my secret. I'm looking forward to it because it's a good cleanse. But it's the easiest thing you could do. You just stop eating. I've had coffee and a cream and green tea with lemon. All right, thanks everybody. See you tomorrow. So the fast is going great. So this is day 2. I want to give you a little bit more details about what I eat. Now I have the companion book to the Obesity Code, and it's like a practical guide for doing fasts. And basically you can have bone broth. You can do that. This one, I'm not doing it. And that's why I love fast, because you know, usual diets, there's all kinds of things you buy and you have to prepare your food at night. This one, nothing. Like, you don't. Keeping busy is good because there is a natural hormone that is released around the meal times. So that's a real thing. When you're hungry, it is because your body has released ghrelin, I think it's called. So I have coffee with cream in the morning, and I'll probably have one this afternoon when I get home. It's cream, not milk. No sugar substitutes, which I don't care for anyway. And I have a green tea cold brew that I make. And I make this just every day, even when I'm not fasting, because I love kind of an iced tea, and I love green tea. And cold brewing it is great. And then I put lemon in it. And I drink this and water, and then bubbly water is a trick. Subsides your appetite if you around dinner time or at like TV time, like at night. So, and it is for a short period of time. Anybody can, you know, make a sacrifice for a couple of days if that's your choice, and even a week in my case. It's not a big deal. To doing great, feeling great, have energy, and that's the amazing thing about fasting. You'd think I'd be dragging my knuckles around on the ground. Not at all. You in fact get more energy, which is so wild. Hi everybody, I just wanted to check in. Day 3 of the 7-day fast. More of an intermittent fast when I'm not actually fasting. I'll eat a little bit later, closer to noon, to start, because again, I read that in the Obesity Code. You actually don't need breakfast. Your body has a natural way of waking up, producing energy. I think it was coined the dawn effect. But yeah, I felt hungry. So what I did to combat that is I, of course, had my coffee and cream, but before that I put a little bit of sea salt. And I also bought some trace deep sea minerals, but they have some incredible minerals within them, and they also include deep sea salt. So it's super healthy to incorporate, and just a drop or a couple of drops in water. And I read about them. Actually, no, I think Dr. Berg on YouTube taught me about deep sea trace minerals, how healthy they are for you. Other than that, I'm just a little bit cold. I feel like, and I felt like this before when I'm fasting. I have bubble bath, and that'll go away as well. This is day 3. See you tomorrow. Day 4, check-in. 3 more to go, and I guess it's kind of the hump day. to slide into home. I'm feeling fantastic. I really have no complaints. Outside of yesterday feeling cold, today I feel fantastic. In fact, today I went at 11:30, kind of for my lunch hour. I went and I did Wim Hof breathing, then I worked out on the elliptical for 20 minutes, then I did a meditation, and then I had a shower, washed my hair. And that whole cycle, it took 1 hour and 15 minutes. And I kind of regret not doing that more often at that time because it almost gives you more energy in the afternoon. I didn't feel like I was dragging at all during the workout, and maybe it's because of the Wim Hof breathing. Yeah, I have a lot of energy, I have a lot of clarity in my brain. Blood pressure is coming down, my ketones are higher than ever. The real reason I do it is for the miracle of autophagy. When your body goes into autophagy, I guess it's dependent upon each person, it's different, but I believe it's after 16 hours. And so I have been in autophagy for many days now. And that is the healing and cleaning of mutant cells in your body that can lead to cancers. And there is a quote in the obesity code that states that majority of oncologists would recommend a fast for people on an annual basis for the reason of autophagy. You know, when you search autophagy in the search engines, I was amazed to find 80% of the people that are talking about it are PhDs and medical community and John Hopkins and TED Talks. And so that leads me to think that it's a real thing. It's not just a trend or a fad that's gonna go out next year. This is a real thing, and I think we all need to sit up and listen. The other thing is seeing some dementia in my family, but certainly being very afraid of Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and the other miracle with autophagy is cleaning proteins and repairing brain hippocampus. These are the real reasons. Autophagy is really why I'm doing this. See you tomorrow. Day 5 check-in. So today started like any other day with my coffee, my cold brew, green tea with lemon, and I also had a little bit of salt. My son came around the corner and he went, "Oh, you look really different." And I said, "I do?" And I had to run to the bathroom to look in the mirror. And I think it is because I've lost some probably water weight in my face and less of a hooded eye. But it also brings me to today's topic, because maybe he actually saw something that I'm going to talk about today: human growth hormone. So human growth hormone is in us as a child so that we can actually build bones and muscle to actually grow into an adult. At the age of 45, mid-40s, it starts to decrease, and it continues to decrease as we get older. If we can combat this to live a healthy life until our end, I am all for it. There was a study done, a 3-day fast. The test patients, they measured the HGH. After 3 days, it had increased by 300%. But guess what? The 7-day fasters, 1,250%. So, do I look different? I hope so. Really, what does it do? The human growth hormone supports our cell reproduction, our regeneration, cellular growth in general. It also helps us retain calcium. It supports our body's protein, which I'll come back to. It supports cognitive functions, which we all know starts to decrease. And it also is the main hormone that supports fat burning. And we all know that in our midlife, we start to really feel that that is not the same. Even if we've done the same kind of workouts, we don't see the same results. And that is nature. Can we reverse it? Yes, we can, by doing fasts and increasing it. My goodness, by even 1,000% is incredible. How do they support our body's proteins? Well, your body proteins are obviously our muscle and our bone and our cartilage. So helping us with flexibility and retaining that flexibility for longer, which is a major issue in older people. Also, hair, skin, and collagen. And maybe my son saw the increase of my collagen. I hope so. See you tomorrow. day 6 of the 7-day fast, so I'm almost there. So today what I want to cover is who should not do a fast. If you're a kid under the age of 21, you should not do a fast. If you have extra weight to lose and you want to try a fast, ask your doctor and your medical community. People that have pre-existing conditions and certainly that are on medication should get the advice of their doctor, and people that don't have body fat, or perhaps have eating disorders, probably a fast is not for you, but again, seek medical advice on that. All right, everybody, see you on my last day. Woohoo! Day 7. Day 7. I am done tonight, and I will have my first meal tomorrow at lunch, which is, yes, I'm done. And it is still really comical to say, yeah, I haven't eaten since last Thursday night. It's still, I kind of get a kick out of it. The reason it is somewhat fairly easy to get through a fast is because of ketones. Ketones allow you, they suppress your appetite and that need for food. And they're kind of a miracle. And what ketones are, what fuel your body uses when it's not using glucose and fatty acids. Your body switches into burning ketones, and it is the optimal clean fuel. And some of your organs actually prefer ketones, including your noggin. Ketones are stored in fat. So this is why the disappearance starts to happen, especially around the midsection, which is a bonus. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for part 2 for all of the results.